things that I wanted to know before I started my e-commerce business and my other businesses. And the first one is, it is difficult to get traffic by using SEO. It is very hard. It takes time, specifically for my personal business. It took time for people to start visiting my website and people buying and talking about it. It took time. It is very hard to drive traffic. I am not paying to have traffic on my websites, e-commerce, and my other business. I am not paying, so I'm using SEO, and it is hard to rank, but it is worth it at the end. And our second one is e-commerce and doing this business. It's not easy. It's not glamorous. It's not like gold. It's there's days when it is very low and you feel very down and no sales or leads or subscribers, whatever you're doing. But specifically now we are talking about e-commerce and business. When you see nothing on your dashboard, no clicks, no nothing, no backlinks, it is very, I would say, disappointing, because it shows that you are not doing the right thing, or it takes time. If you are doing the right things, it takes time. It takes a lot of times. It's not what people portrayed on social media. It's not a perfect glamorous picture. That was our second one. It's not easy than we think. And when you are doing this business thing, going to our third one is that you are going to be wearing a lot of hats. When I say hats, by being on product manager, product designer, your own social media manager, there's a lot of things that when you are building e-commerce and a business that will not go into it. And sometimes you will just see that you're wearing so many hats that you didn't even see. And our fourth one is going to be making a sales system. Making a sales system is important. If you launch your business e-commerce without a sales system, there will be bad reviews. You will not have a good time with your customers. There will be a lot of refunds. So make a sales system. You can search a lot on the internet about making a sales system and making other systems. And that's going to our fifth one, is making system for things that you can be giving it to a robot, using robots to send things that you always send in a daily time, I will say. So make a follow-up systems for your e-commerce, your business, and try to automatic everything that you are doing. Is more easier when you know that people, specifically not people, but if you are starting and you want to do as unpaid as possible, there's a lot of free ways for you to handle out your little task from you to a robot. Hopefully that wasn't confusing at all, but that's things that I wanted to know before I started my business, my e-commerce. And always, you are going to be doing a lot of things in the business, and that takes patience. Patience is the most important thing, maybe the third one, and then second one maybe luck, and then hard work is always after luck. I'm going to say that on today's episode. Today's episode was episode 14. We are going strong so far. And if you have any suggestions for the next episode, put it in the comments or go to my Quora or other social medias that I will be putting in the description. Thank you for listening. I will see you next Friday.